I'm busy getting my garden and apple tree ready. I get those pesky rabbits, squirrels, voles, aphids, and more during gardening season. How about you? I thought I would share a few tips on things I use to keep those pests out of my garden. We have learned if you have a rabbit around, you will definitely want a fence to keep them out. We bought this fence at our local hardware store and used screws and fence clips to attach it to our fence. Don't forget to block the gate entryways as well. Put a row of rocks inside the gate so those pests cannot sneak underneath of it. Plant some marigolds in your garden. Marigolds are amazing flowers that give off a terrible smell, deterring rabbits and deer. My grandma taught me to plant these in my garden. Keep nocturnal animals away by adding solar lights in your garden. Animals do not like movement or loud noises. I hung a large shepherd's hook in the center of my garden and added a wind chime. I put these simple pinwheels that I found at Dollar Tree in my garden to keep those pests out. I get voles in both my vegetable and flower gardens almost every year. To keep them out, I have learned to add mothballs to my gardens, and it seems to keep them away. They don't like the smell. Make a red pepper spray. Add 4 cups of water to a squirt bottle, 1 teaspoon dish soap, and 1 tablespoon of red hot or Tabasco sauce. Mix and spray on your plants. This is meant to keep the deer, squirrel, mice, and birds off your plants. Test the plant in a small place to make sure that the plant can handle it and wait for 4 days to see. Spray once a week, and if it rains, you'll need to reapply. Sprinkle red pepper flakes in your garden. It is known to deter rabbits, deer, skunks, raccoons, cats, and dogs. Irish Spring soap will deter pests like rabbits, deers, and voles. They don't like the smell. Grate some up with a cheese grater and sprinkle it around your garden. The squirrels in my apple tree make me crazy. They eat the bark off in the winter when they need food, as do the rabbits, and they eat 1 bite of an apple and throw it on the ground. I wrap the base of the trunk in tinfoil. This deters them from climbing up the trunk, and they don't like how it's reflective. Now, one tip I have is that animals will get used to the items you put in your garden to keep them out. I recommend moving things around once in a while to change it up and throw them off. Feed those pests somewhere else to keep them away from your garden. I placed water in the cup and birdseed on the plate, and this keeps birds away from my garden. I hope this inspired you to try a few of these tips in your garden or fruit trees at home. Thanks for watching.